Did you suffer a traumatic injury that is keeping you from living life comfortably? Have you considered seeing a chiropractor, but you're not sure where to begin in your search? Fortunately, there's been incredible advancements in the world of chiropractic treatments. The only difficult step is finding the right professional to help you. Today's traumatic injury expert is here to share some insights on finding the best chiropractor that can help you achieve a pain-free life.
Well, that's a question I get asked often. How does someone know when they've experienced a traumatic brain injury, and what are the main signs and symptoms that someone's injured their brain? One of the problems we see is that although there are around 3 million reported concussions every year, there are likely many more millions that are not reported. It's the common myth. People feel that if there's no impact to the head, that they can't be injured. It's just not true. You can have an injury to your brain from a fall or a motor vehicle collision, even if you don't hit your head. But the good news is, knowing what questions to ask and recognizing the symptoms and signs of a traumatic brain injury doesn't have to be scary or challenging if you know what to look for. Any of the following issues that I'll ask you may indicate a decreased brain or brainstem function, and they may be related to a recent concussive event. It's pretty common that if you've had headaches or dizziness or loss of consciousness after a sudden impact to your head, that you may have experienced injury to the brain. But you should also consider concussion if you've noticed any of the following. Have you had problems sleeping? Have you had vision or focus problems or brain fog? Have you had fatigue or sensitivity to light or sound, or even a loss of coordination? Any of these symptoms may mean you've had a concussion or a mild traumatic brain injury. Here are a few tips on how to help your brain heal faster from an injury. The first tip is to avoid inflammatory foods. Things such as refined sugars, grains, and artificial sweeteners and stimulants. These can cause an increased load, increased demand on your brain and all your tissues. Your immune system is really involved in healing your brain, and it has to clean out all the damaged cells. And when you eat this stuff, the refined sugars and artificial sweeteners and so forth, you're actually slowing your healing process. So, second tip, make sure you breathe properly. In order to function, whether you're injured or not, your brain needs oxygen. People in pain usually have shallow breathing. It's just a fact. If your brain isn't getting enough oxygen, your healing will be compromised. It'll be slowed and possibly incomplete. If you slow down your breathing, focusing on the exhale component, it's a must. That will help you relax tense muscles and allow fuel to go to your brain so it can heal properly. Now, the final tip is be sure if you even think you have a concussion, that you avoid playing impact sports or doing anything aggressive for 1 to 2 weeks after you no longer have any more symptoms. This can help you avoid a life-threatening injury to your brain known as second impact syndrome. We specialize in brain injury rehabilitation, and we focus on identifying the regions of the brain that are injured and specifically targeting those areas so they can heal properly. This helps you optimize your brain function, helps you relieve your symptoms, things like headaches and sleep issues and memory problems, and basically get your life back to normal. For those that want to learn more, they can simply go to askdrjasonsmith.com, where they can learn about our approach to treating brain injuries, or even take our brain symptom injury quiz to see where they are on the scale and if they should seek help. Or they can just call us at 801-292-4400. Since 1998, I've been helping patients relieve their painful issues and seeing them regain their lifestyle through a targeted course of treatment. And that's basically the key to our success.
Incredible. What a huge impact a little time and care can make. The right chiropractor will really help you more than you can imagine. Are you ready to learn more? You can reach today's expert by calling the number on your screen. See you next time.